Tulsi Vivah is a Hindu festival in which a ceremonial marriage of the Tulsi basil with god Shaligram or Vishnu is held. The Tulsi wedding signifies the end of the monsoon and the beginning of the wedding season in Hinduism. The ceremonial festival is performed any time between Prabodhini Ekadashi, the 11th or 12th lunar day of the bright fortnight of the Hindu month of Kartik and Kartik Purnima, the full moon of the month. The day varies regionally. Tulsi is venerated as a goddess in Hinduism and is sometimes considered as a wife of Vishnu with the epithet Vishnu Priya, the beloved of Vishnu. The Lord behind Tulsi Vivah and its rites are told in the scripture Padma Purana. According to Hindu scripture, the Tulsi plant was a woman named Vrinda. She was married to the Asura king Jalandhar, who due to her piety and devotion to Vishnu became invincible. Even Devtas could not defeat Jalandhar, so they requested Vishnu, the preserver in the Trinity, to find a solution. When leaving for war, Vrinda promised Jalandhar for doing Sankalpa for his victory till he returns, but Lord Vishnu disguised himself as Jalandhar and she saw him. She left her Sankalpa and touched his feet. With her Sankalpa destroyed, Jalandhar lost his power and was killed by Shiva, and his head fell in Vrinda's palace. Seeing this, she realized it was not her husband but Lord Vishnu. Vrinda cursed Lord Vishnu to become Shaligram and to be separated from his wife Lakshmi. This was later fulfilled when he was transformed into the black Shaligram stone and in his Rama avatar was separated from his wife Sita, who was kidnapped by the Asura king Ravana. Vrinda then drowned herself in the ocean, and the gods or Vishnu himself transferred her soul to a plant which was henceforth called Tulsi. As per a blessing by Vishnu to marry Vrinda in her next birth, Vishnu in form of Shaligram married Tulsi on Prabodhini Ekadashi. To commemorate this event, the ceremony of Tulsi Vivah is performed. The marriage of Tulsi with Lord Vishnu resembles the traditional Hindu wedding. The marriage ceremony is conducted at homes and at temples, where a fast is observed on the Tulsi Vivah day until evening when the ceremony begins. A mandap is built around the courtyard of the house, where the Tulsi plant is usually planted in center of the courtyard in a brick plaster called the Tulsi Vrindavana. It is believed that the soul of Vrinda resides in the plant at night and leaves in the morning. The bride Tulsi is clothed with a sari and ornaments, including earrings and necklaces. A human paper face with a bindi and nose ring may be attached to Tulsi. The groom is a brass image or picture of Vishnu or Krishna or sometimes Balarama, or more frequently the Shaligram stone, the symbol of Vishnu. The image is clothed in a dhoti. Both Vishnu and Tulsi are bathed and decorated with flowers and garlands before the wedding. The couple is linked with a cotton thread in the ceremony.